Good morning, how are we doing? It's Monday, first day of the week. I did something a bit silly this morning and tried to trade the Asia Open. We had the US obviously bombing Iran over the weekend, and I was basically looking for a big sell-off this morning in markets, a big buy for oil. Obviously I come in with a major short bias and I just kept trying to short this. Obviously we had a big gap down, and then we just retraced that gap basically the whole morning. And yeah, I kept entering short, tried to enter short down here, I think tried to enter short here, and yeah, just I think 3 times I attempted it on the funded, and was trying to long oil on the challenge account, and oil also just dumped. Nasdaq went up, and yeah, at the end I was down $250 on the fundeds on each account, so like 750 in total, and I lost the challenge account. I don't want to really class it as tilt because I don't feel like I was on tilt. It's not like I was revenge trading. I generally just was married to the wrong bias basically. I was absolutely convinced it was going down, which is obviously never a good place to be. I've never traded Asia Open before. I've never traded a gap down like this before straight off the open. So I've no idea how to play it. I shouldn't be trading it on the fundeds, but like it was just in my head a guaranteed sell-off, which is obviously a bit silly. I'm not actually too depressed or anything about it. I feel actually pretty good about it. I think because it's like rock bottom, it can't really get any worse, and there's nothing I can do about it. It's done. I've started a new challenge account on Take Profit Trader. I've gone back to a 50k account. Obviously I can just slowly build back the funded account, so it's not that big of a deal. I've learnt my lesson. I only trade when I normally trade and the normal strategy. But the strategy was last night was basically to try and get into a decent position for the sell-off for the day, basically try and hold the position most of the day, or at least into maybe just before New York Open or something. Yeah, a bit of a silly morning, but it is what it is. And yeah, I don't feel too bad about it, to be honest. It is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. I can't change it. I just need to move on, not do it again. And yeah, it's just purely down to my own stupidity more than anything else. So yeah, I'm going to be nice and patient in New York AM and wait for a perfect setup with the normal strategy, and yeah, hopefully have a green week to make up for it. And we're live. How we doing? How we doing? Happy Monday. Happy Monday. Start of a brand new week. It's been a interesting morning, isn't it? Interesting morning. The market's done the complete opposite of what I was expecting, which is no surprise. How it normally goes. EMA is on the 5 minute, sort of going sideways at the minute, so I'm happy to wait. Probably happy to wait until after the news, to be honest. I might look to enter a little cheeky short, low risk. I was expecting a little bit more of a reaction from there. I need to start waiting. I was looking at the 30-second chart. Yeah, I need to start waiting for a bit of a rejection before taking it. Yeah, stop down that one. 140 down. Alright, it's a low swept. Alright, nice bit of volume on this bar. Put in a buy stop. We break out above. Yeah, you got decent volume that's come in, so yeah, fingers crossed we're on the right side. Nice, we filled on the fundeds. Right, so far so good, looking quite strong. Come on, let's have a nice win to end the day. That would cheer me right up. As soon as we take this high, I'll be moving the trade and stop quite tight, I think. Yeah, pretty happy with this trade. Glad I waited. I'm just patient. Even if it ends up being a loss, I feel like I've played it well, so. A run attack incoming soon. What? In the next couple of minutes or the next couple of days or in the coming hours? I'm going to break even on that. We're struggling around the 22,000 mark. I was thinking about moving to break even up here, but now we've had one more retest of my entry. If we're coming back down here, I don't want to be part of it. especially with some bad news. Me out. Yeah, it's me out and everything. Some news about Iran possibly attacking in the next few hours. It's not worth being a part of that. Trying to short this cycle either, so I'm going to call it a day there. I think gonna have some dinner. Gonna have some dinner. So yes, down 1R, a small 1R on the new challenge account. Good morning, how we doing? It's Tuesday. So yeah, brand new day. Bit of a crappy day yesterday, but I'm going to come into this week with positive vibes. So this morning I signed up for TradeDay purely for backtesting reasons. Whenever I've done backtesting, it's been on FX replay, but I find it really crap, FX replay. But yeah, I did a bit of Googling and heard TradeDay's backtesting is actually quite good. I didn't realise they had backtesting, to be honest. I thought it was just a trade journal. And yeah, I signed up for that this morning, so I'm going to have a bit of a play around on there. And I think as well I can link my combine to the journal, which will probably be a bit of a nicer way for me to show you my results maybe at the end of the week. Every week I'll show you my dashboard, show you how I've done this week performance wise. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do this morning is do a bit of back testing on there, and yeah, really work on my patience and my discipline, and yeah, see how it goes. So yeah, this is back testing results so far. I only did about a week and a half. Something that I'm noticing straight away, I'm not sure how beneficial doing 2 trades a day is. I always used to do 1 trade a day. Whatever the results were, that was it. But yeah, the days that I've taken 2 trades, I'm either giving back profits or I'm just increasing my losses. So I'll keep doing it and monitoring it. We are in January, which is pretty horrendous price action that month, so it might just be because of that. But yeah, I'm liking TradeDay. I like that you can have different strategies to add to your playbook. You can then assign each trade to the different strategy, so you can then go on playbooks. Then you can then click on the strategy and see your statistics for that strategy specifically, which is quite cool. So yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. And we are live. How we doing? How we doing? Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Bit of a range bound pre-market. So it'll be interesting to see what occurs today. I had a good 7 hours last night. So I'm a bit more caught up than I was, but I'm still fucking knackered. Just put in an order for 10 micros. Going straight to break even on this. Choppy Tuesday. Wee, nice. Nice. Fucking about fucking time, eh? About fucking time. Didn't take it on the fundeds. I barely had time to take it on this one, to be honest. And with top steps fucking charts freezing, that wasn't helping the situation. Nice. Happy days. Oh, I needed that win, man. Needed that win. Oh, it's about time, man. It's about time. It's been a rough week or two, so yeah, really happy with that, especially on a Tuesday as well. It's been very choppy, been patient, sat there, waited for it. Really happy with that. And we're live. How we doing, folks? How we doing? Wednesday is here. Been a buy order for breaking that 5-minute candle. It's looking quite nice in the 5-minute. The only thing I don't love about this is that I feel like we're right in the middle of the range, my entry, which is not the best of entries. Just looking for a 1-to-1 off this, not going to ask for too much. Right, I'm straight to break even on this. This is an area where we're going to either sell off from or push up from. I could get stopped out break even, but it's fine with me. If it runs, it runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I wasn't loving it. I felt like our entry was right in the middle of the range, so really getting wise dad mentality, Sam. I don't know about that, mate. It's gonna be tight. It's gonna be tight. Nice close of that. Can we keep it going? Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I moved to break even straight away on that because I feel like we could go choppy here. And I don't want to be a part of that. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I was looking at potentially short on the 2 minute. Set at the break of this last 2 minute candle. But I'll be struggling to get a 1-to-1 before hitting my targets, to be honest. So there's a good chance we could reverse at 4-3-3. Which wouldn't even give me a 1-to-1, so I should call it a day there, I think. Yo, what up? What up? How we doing? Thursday the mate. This week's going well quick. We're getting through it, aren't we? We're getting through it. Hope everyone is well. Yeah, big sell-off on that news of GDP in the US fell slightly. So yeah, could be interesting. Could be interesting. Right, we've had a 5 minute bar close below VWAP. I'm happy to look for shorts. Right, I've been filled on the funded.
Stop filled.
Right, let's take off a hit on the funded. Just gone for a very quick 1-to-1 on the funded. Wish I'd moved to break even on this. My take profit on the funded was a sort of a fairly key level for me, so should have probably taken profit there on the challenge account. There you go, stopped out. See, it's all about trade management, isn't it? Win on the funded, loss on the challenge account, same trade. Just asking her for a little bit more on the challenge account. What do you prefer? Oh, fuck off, man. Oh, man. Story of my life. What do you prefer? High win rate but smaller RR, or higher RR but smaller win rate? I prefer a higher win rate. Just for purely for morale reasons. When I had a 70% win rate doing 1-to-1s, I was at my happiest. You know what I mean? I was at my most confident. So yeah, higher win rate definitely, man. And just for transparency reasons, not like anyone gives a shit. I am up on the day. I am not just making it up. Look at that stop out, man. How ridiculous is that?
Stop filled.
Cross me in. I think when I get to 1-to-1, I'll be moving up aggressively if we get there. But I'll look to target the highs. I'm not in on the funding accounts, just the challenge account.
Stop filled.
Cool. Nice and aggressive there. Yeah, just over a 1-to-1 on that. So yeah, down on the day. $84, but yeah, better than it was. Well, now we're doing Friday now. Not got much going on today. Probably just gonna get this week's video edited. So I'm actually pretty happy with how this week's gone. If we pretend Monday didn't happen, I feel like I've actually traded alright this week. So yeah, this week on the challenge account, 2 wins, 2 losses, a couple of break evens. But yeah, I've been a lot more patient. Been waiting for my setup to happen. Been taking it well. Most of the time, been not asking for too much and just taking the base hits. So yeah, I feel like I'm on the right path, on the right track. Just need to build on what I've been doing this week. But yeah, pretty happy with it. Obviously, still got today, so it could all go tits up today, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how I played it this week. Then when I finish my breakfast anyway, and then yeah, go and edit this video. And we're live. How we doing? Tell you what, I just made the quickest cup of tea in my bloody life. Ran upstairs, I'm out of breath. Hope everyone's alright. Friday's here. Question is it going to be all-time highs today, or is it going to be a sell-off today? That's the question. Oh, we're getting a pullback. Concentrate for a minute. I'm all set up for a buy if we push back up. Lower my entry slightly, added more contracts. Oh, here we go. Number him. I might break even on the fundeds. Got to break even on the challenge account as well. Don't want to end the weekend in the red at all. So that's 1-to-1 here. Well, I'm stopped out on the fundeds. $35 win. Tried up just at the low of the candle. Yeah, break even. Break even. Yeah, nice little win on the fundeds. Put a buy order in. Pass me in. Not the response I wanted. Yeah, stopped out. Lost on the challenge account then. Didn't take it on the fundeds. Thank God. Right, boys and girls, I'm going to call it a day there. So yeah, loss on the challenge account, so I'm slightly down on the week on the challenge account. But that's fine. I'm pretty happy with how I've traded this week, so can't really complain. Big improvement to how it has been, basically. Which is good. And yes, up 2 hour on the fundeds this week. You're not including Monday. Yes, enjoy your weekend. I want to go and have some dominoes. Yeah, take it easy. Enjoy the weekend. Take it easy if you're still trading today. Yeah, enjoy everyone. Cheers for stopping by. I'll see you Monday.